you can use this Balsam Fir on here. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to do the doTERRA LRP unboxing for December. I normally refer to the Loyalty Rewards program as Christmas in a Box, and for this month, it's especially appropriate. And without further ado, we're going to get right into this amazing wellness lifestyle in a box. So here we go. I do also want to note, so this is the doTERRA logo as well as what they stand for, and it's pursue what's pure. And if you've seen any of my other videos on quality of essential oils, or you know how a lot of oils in the market are adulterated, this right here makes more sense than ever. Alright, so we're going to talk about what we got here. It's very compact. You notice the sustainable packaging, so no bubble wrap, it's just kind of paper. And I will have in the link in the description area below what products I got for free, as well as what I paid for this month, and we'll go from there. Alright, so we have Frankincense, which is the oil of the month. For any 200-point order, you get a free Frankie. Frankincense supports your mood, supports cellular health. It's also really good for your skin and removing unwanted blemishes. So this is an amazing oil. This is also given to the Christ child, along with myrrh and gold. It's a very precious oil. They call it the king of all the oils, and for good reason. Put that off to the side here. Then we also have Breathe and Balsam Fir. So this is the product of the month, Balsam Fir. And I'll have the benefits right here, so you can see the benefits of Balsam Fir. And I'm going to smell it right now. I'm going to, oh yeah, it smells like a Christmas tree. Kind of just is like you just go up to your Christmas tree and then like smell it, and that's pretty much that. But yeah, that's cool. I can use this for a lot of things, and one way that I like to use oils that I'm either not a huge fan of, or don't know how to use, or is not a frequent use oil, is I'll actually just put it, you know, 1 or 2 drops in the toilet before I do number 2. That's right, a little potty talk temporarily. Hang in there. And that's because there's aromatherapy whenever, you know, things get dropped in there and then flushed away, and then when it flushes, cleans the toilet bowl a little bit, you know, and also the bathroom smells better. So I don't know if you've seen the commercials for Poopery, but this is a do-it-yourself or DIY Poopery for oils, and this would actually be a really good one because it'll get the bathroom smelling like a Christmas tree, and that's really cool. Some oils are kind of like, you know, I like the smell or I don't like the smell, but I would say any essential oil smell, whether it's acquired or not, is still probably a better smell than number 2. Okay, moving right along, we have Breathe. And speaking of breathe, it's easier to breathe when you don't have to smell things that are more unwanted. But Breathe supports your respiratory function. I use it actually to support my skin health. I put some fractionated coconut oil on my face after showering, and then I put a drop of this on my hands, and then I basically massage it into my face with lavender oil, and that helps again support the respiratory system, and it doesn't allow the harmful microorganisms to build up on the face for me, so I can keep my acne under control. And the reason for that is because, I'm trying to get things into focus here, is because it has laurel leaf, it has eucalyptus, peppermint, tea tree, lemon, cardamom, Ravintsara, and Ravensara. So these are really good for a lot of things, and I love Breathe. And it's especially appropriate during these times when you need natural immune system supporting oils. And that's all the essential oils are, is just the immune system of the plant. And so this is very beneficial for doing that during these times and any time really. And then I got some more fractionated coconut oil, you can see here. And I got 3 of them. The fractionated coconut oil, 3 amigos here. There's other 3 amigos with the lifelong vitality pack, but the fractionated coconut oil is a good moisturizer. It reduces the chance of irritation when you use them in combination of essential oils, and it helps the essential oils absorb better into your skin. There's no odor, no greasiness that comes with these, and I love using these on my face and body, especially after a shower and before bed. And so this is very beneficial. And in the morning, so I use this in the morning and night, especially for my face and body. There we go, love it. And only 1 ingredient, which is, as you can see here, basically it just says pure fractionated Cocoa Nucifera oil, or coconut oil. Okay, there you go. It's maybe a little out of focus, but there it is. Now you can clearly see what that's all about. All right. Next, we have the TerraZyme. These are digestive enzymes, which is important anytime you eat any cooked foods. What you want to do is eat one or take one of these before you eat, 30 minutes before ideally, if your meal is 1/3 cooked. 2 of these if your meal is 2/3 cooked, and 3 of these if your meal is fully cooked, as a rule of thumb. And that will help break down proteins, fats, carbs, sugars, fiber, and it's because these are digestive enzymes. There's also a tummy tamer blend with peppermint, ginger, and caraway. So very beneficial. These are lacking in the standard American diet, and I highly recommend eating these with any cooked meal, for sure. All right, we're going to put that off to the side. Next we have PB-Assist, which are probiotics with a prebiotic, which feeds the probiotic. Think of a prebiotic as like a little lunchbox that you take to school or to work. And the probiotic is the little person or the microorganism that helps support your digestion and immune system. And that's very important, especially with the gut-brain axis and your digestive tract, your small intestines kind of being like your second brain, and communicating with your first brain in your head, and also your immune system. There's a lot of chemicals that are released and signaled and given off, and so this is very important as a part of a daily regimen, because these are lacking in the standard American diet too. Standard American diet is just hot dog, pizza, French fries, soda, all the hamburgers, all the stuff that fast food restaurants typically have. And so very beneficial to include this as a part of your regimen, and I include it in AM and PM capsule holders with the Lifelong Vitality Pack you'll see here, and that is very importante. Alright, 3 Amigos. I get the vegan version, and let me open it up. First we have the Vegan Microplex VMZ, so this is a vitamin and mineral supplement that's more easily absorbable. You can see the ingredients here. We have vitamins, we have minerals that are, they absorb way better into your body. And then we have a proprietary whole food blend, the active enzyme blend to help break down food some more, which you see digestion is a big focus on these supplements here. The doTERRA Tummy Tamer blend as well. So very important to have this, even if you think you eat healthy, and I take these every day. So it's 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon for each one of these here. And when I take it in the afternoon, I typically take it in the early afternoon, like maybe like 2 or 3 p.m. because if you take it too close to at night, especially all of these, it can keep you up, and I'll cover that shortly. But yeah, this is the VE Omega. These are your omega 369s, support your brain, joint, and muscle function. And you see there are some vitamins here, as well as a omega blend, and then the CPTG oil blend of 9 essential oils. And this is going to support your cellular health. And again, this is lacking in the standard American diet with a healthy balance of omega-3s to 6s. So very, very important as a part of a daily regimen, daily wellness regimen. And then lastly, of the 3 Amigos here, we have the Alpha CRS Plus. Boop. And this is great because there's no sugar, no caffeine, and it helps you on a cellular level. And you can see the ingredients here, which I like to cover every time. You have the Cellular Longevity Blend, then you have the Cellular Energy Blend, and then you have the Tummy Tamer Blend. So again, supporting digestion, supporting your cells, and it gives you energy. So that's the reason why you don't want to take any of these too close to when you go to bed, because it can keep you up naturally, without caffeine, without sugar. And there you go. And then we have here is the On Guard Cleaner Concentrate. So you can use these for cleaning surfaces, dishes, toilets and sinks, floors as well, and I like to use these a lot. Sometimes I actually use these to replace the foaming dispenser that doTERRA has, and I'll just put water, like 3/4 of water in the foaming dispenser, and then I'll put maybe like a little bit, like a tablespoon of this in there, and that will kind of help dilute it. And then, because it's very concentrated, and if you do use this in a dishwasher, automated dishwasher, less is definitely more because it can overflow and bubble up too much, so I would definitely keep that in mind. And I love this. This is a great product, and these typically last me like 2 or 3 months. So I put one in each, in the kitchen, and then one in the bathrooms, and then that is a really good way to green clean without toxicity. And so it's a natural cleaner, which is very important for supporting your immune system, hormonal balance, and just overall health and wellness. And then lastly, we have this little nice gift. It's a Dolomite Ornament decoration. So this can go on the tree right here. So it's a cool little ornament here. And you can put an essential oil drop on there and have things smelling good. You can use that, you can use this Balsam Fir on here. So you'd have it a double tree. The double tree. Hey, isn't that a hotel? You can have a double tree scent with this on here with your Christmas tree if you have one. If not, this is just kind of cool to hang around and hang out as you hang out and safely do things that way. And that concludes today's video. And so the next step for me is putting things in their place, because everything should have a place and everything should be in its place. That way, you know, they're easier to use. And then on top of that, what I like to keep in mind is that you want to remove all the barriers to use. So removing all the plastics from these. And now I'm able to recycle these things, so I'll recycle all these items, which is really important as well. Kind of reduce, reuse, recycle. And there we go. So remove barriers to use, put things in their place, and put them in places where you can't help but use them. And then you'll support your wellness lifestyle, which is very important during these times. You know, supporting your digestion, supporting your immune system, your skin health, your just digestive health, energy, your sleep. There's so many things that these help me out with on a daily basis, and they've definitely helped change my life, and I love these products and use them every single day. And other than that, that concludes today's video. Make sure to click the like button if you did. Share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below for more details, and I will see you in the next video.